Almost 30 million people globally suffer from drug use disorders, while opioids such as heroin account for 70% of the negative health impacts associated with drug use disorders worldwide. Well, that's according to the UN's World Drug Report, now in its 20th year, that provides a comprehensive look at the changing models for drug trafficking as well as organized crime, while pointing to a widening spectrum of substances that are available on the drug market today. Now, the report also points to an expansion in opium production in countries like Afghanistan, while cocaine and marijuana use is also ticking up.
The report says that while the overall drug user population has stabilized globally, the number of problem users who abuse narcotics is on the increase.
Now, that poses enormous challenges with regard to the health apparatus, because so far, globally, only 1 on 6 of problem users has access to care and treatments. Now, that evidently is far insufficient. And when we talk about problem use, of course, the best way to stop problem use is to prevent the use altogether. And we need to do a lot more on the prevention.
In 2014, organized crime groups across the globe were estimated to have generated between 1/5 and 1/3 of their revenues from drug sales, with sophisticated technology and the dark web increasingly being used to move product and currency.
Yeah. You don't want to lead the direction.
We pressed these experts on how drugs like heroin and cocaine make it to Africa and South Africa in particular, after 500 million rands worth of cocaine was found on a farm in Villiers-Dorp near Cape Town recently.
Very often it's Nigerian organized crime groups responsible for this, located in Brazil, organizing this business. Some of it touches Africa, some of it doesn't even touch Africa, so it's both you have it. And then you have shipments from there going to particularly West Africa. So West Africa is the prime target, but also some West Africa, some goes to South Africa. You have also something go to near Middle East, from there to South Africa. So it's a multitude. There's not just one trafficking route.
Cannabis use has also seen a spike globally due to greater legalization for recreational use in some countries.
It's a debate which is ongoing. But at this moment, I mean, it's clear there is not a majority, globally speaking, I mean, ready to see marijuana anything different than belonging on the international conventions. In a few countries, you have a tendency, I mean, to see a very different debate.
The report urges governments to take a balanced approach to drug usage by recognizing the health concerns associated with both use and, more critically, dependence. Bryce-Pease, SABC News, New York.